students, today I teach you the property of division. Here, division of integers. The first property in rule 1 is written: for dividing one integer by the other, the two having unlike sign, we divide their values regardless of their signs and give a minus sign to the quotient. For example, minus 48 is divided by 12. 12 4 ja, and the minus sign is laying here. So the answer, or which you say the quotient, is minus 4. Rule. Rule number 2 says, for dividing one integer by the other having like signs, we divide their values regardless of their signs and give a plus signs to the quotient. The question is here, minus 48 divided by 16. Minus 48 is divided by minus 16. Both minus will be cancelled and 16 3 ja 48. So the answer is 3. In other questions, 64 is divided by 8. So 64 by 8, 8 ja 64, and the quotient is 8. 8 is in a positive integer. Start our exercise 1C. Here, the first question is, divide 65 by minus 13. See the question. 65 is in positive integer and minus 13 is a negative integer. So the rule number 1 will be followed here. 65 is divided by minus 13. 65 by minus 13. We make it in a rational number, so minus 1 by 1. After rationalizations of this number, it becomes minus 65 by 13. 13 5 ja, and minus sign will be preceded here. So the quotient of this division is minus 5. This one the answer. And the same questions, all these questions are related to the same properties. One is here, question number 9. 0 by minus 31. 0 divided by minus 31. What we get? We get nothing. Here the answer will be 0. Very simple. See question number 2. Fill in the blanks. 72 is divided by what? So we obtain minus 4. The question. This question says, here what we will do? Simply, we will see in the other examples. 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. So 72 divided by what is equal to 9? It means when we divided it, 72 is divided by 9, we obtain 8. Because both relations is multiplications. When we multiplied it, we get 72. Like the same here, 72 is divided by minus 4, we obtain 18, but in negative. 18 is in negative integer. our answer will be minus 18. This one the answer. Like all these questions, you can do so. And the third one, true or false. Write T for true and F for false for each of the following statements. So on by your own level best, you will try to solve all these questions. And in my next video, I will give you all the properties of related this division. Till try your level best and do all questions in a separate copy. Along with wherever you have a problem, you may write all your problems in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.